All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and welcome to So What's for Dinner. And tonight we are starting the holiday time. We have people over, 12, 14 people, I believe, tonight actually. And so we forget a little bit about numbers, and we are opening up to celebration. This is part of the Mediterranean diet. Let's see what we have tonight available for the family. So I made, the menu is spaghetti and meatballs because there are children and I'm from Italy and they request that. So I get the spaghetti down. Alexa, how many minutes I have left on the timer?
You have 1 minute and 50 seconds left.
Okay, so in 1 minute we're going to drain the spaghetti and we're serving buffet style. Over here I'm making biscotti. Next step I will cut it and bake again for about 15 minutes. And so tonight we're serving buffet style. And let me show you what I got. Something simple, but it's a way to stay all together. So I made some ciabatta bread. I have a Caesar salad with some vegetable. I have some Parmigiano Reggiano on top. I'm forgetting about the dipping sauce for the bread. So over here, I put romaine, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. So this is a new camera for me, so bear with me. I'm learning how to work with them. I have some anchovies on the side, as some of the children they don't enjoy. Olives, Parmigiano cheese. I made a Caesar salad sauce. Over here, I'll go the spaghetti that they are cooking over there. And in that way I practice with my new camera. All right. And then we're serving fresh fruit with the biscotti. Very good. So that's a little bit of what we're doing tonight. We enjoyed the family, we enjoyed the holiday time. I'll see you next video, and visit mealsforlongevity.com to download my recipe. I'm starting to publish. Ciao!